How to turn off wake screen notification on Snapchat. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when your Snap is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening guys, go to this notification or settings of sorry. Then in settings you go to notification and then you go down and you will find wake screen. You will turn off this option by clicking in this blue icon like this, and it will work on you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next